Server-side applications and client-side applications are two different types of software applications that operate in different environments and have different responsibilities. Here are the main differences between server-side applications and client-side applications. Environment. Server-side applications run on a server or a cloud-based platform and respond to client requests, while client-side applications run in a user's web browser or mobile device. Processing. Server-side applications are responsible for processing and managing data, and performing complex calculations or manipulations. Client-side applications are responsible for rendering the user interface, and making requests to the server-side application for data. Data management. Server-side applications store and manage data, perform validations and business logic, and return the results to the client-side application. Client-side applications consume the data returned by the server and display it to the user. Security. Server-side applications are responsible for handling security, authentication, and authorization, and enforcing access control rules. Client-side applications are inherently less secure because they run in an untrusted environment, the user's browser, and are vulnerable to attacks such as cross-site scripting, XSS, and cross-site request forgery, CSRF. Performance. Server-side applications can handle large amounts of data and complex business logic, while client-side applications have limited processing power and are limited by the user's device and internet connection. In summary, server-side applications and client-side applications operate in different environments and have different responsibilities. Server-side applications process data and perform complex calculations, while client-side applications render the user interface and consume data from the server. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe, my friends.